Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually trying out a lip kit from a brand I've not tried yet. This is for Kab Cosmetics. I think that would be how you would say it, either Kab or K-A-B. But yeah, it's owned by Kim Zolciak Biermann, and if you don't know who that is, she was on The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and she's kind of been in the spotlight for quite some time, I feel like, on Bravo TV and stuff. She's also married to Kroy Biermann. I think they're still married. Don't get me wrong. And he used to play for the Atlanta Falcons. I'm assuming he still does. I don't know. I really don't keep up with it. He may be retired now. I'm not even sure. But anyways, her and her two daughters from a previous marriage that she's had came up with this cosmetic brand called Kab, and it's K-A-B. It stands for Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. Those are her two daughters' names. So with the lip kit that I bought, it's in a pretty good sized box. I haven't taken this packaging off yet. It also came with this in the envelope. It's a photo of her, Kim, there in the middle. Brielle, right here on the side, her oldest daughter, and then Ariana, her youngest daughter. And yeah, they're super beautiful, super cute. They kind of just look like carbon copies of each other. Kim has definitely had lip filler, and so is Brielle, the older one. But I don't think Ariana has. I think Ariana's only 17 right now. 16 or 17. She's pretty young still. So the shade in the lip kit that I got is called Lollipop. And so here it is without the package on. Super sleek. I'm into it. In a lip kit, it comes with the lip liner, cream lip gloss, and a cream lipstick, and then a sharpener. That's kind of nice for the liner. And there are your products there. Looks pretty nice. Kind of gives me Lady Gaga's brand vibes, Haus Labs. Okay, it says, people will stare, make it worth their while. That's kind of cute. So yeah, it's a pretty big eyeliner, like long. Kind of looks like a MAC eyeliner in the length and everything. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and I'm going to line my lips with this chapstick on my lips. I'm just gonna try to wipe that off before we move forward. If you're wondering what products I used on my face, then stay tuned for my next video. It is a tutorial on this makeup look. Super excited about that. Take the lip liner, and I'm just gonna line my lips like I normally do. So the liner is not as opaque as I thought it would be, honestly. So yeah, the lip liner is nice and soft, but it's not as opaque as I was expecting, but it's nice and soft, feels comfortable on the lips. I think I'm gonna use the lipstick second. The lip liner is definitely matte. Like I said, I had some chapstick on. Okay. Let's try this. Oh my god. The lipstick's kind of hard to get out of the box. That's the packaging there on that. Kind of matte. It says Kab there on the side. Really nice. And ooh, pretty. There is the lipstick. That is my type of shit, honey. Okay. Let's see how pigmented this is. I might have to change my battery because my battery's dying. So if you guys come back and you're at a different angle, sorry. Okay. Ooh, comfortable. That's pretty. It's also a little bit more sheer than I thought it would be, but it's, oh, I love the color, that bright, summery, that's gorgeous. And so now I'm gonna go in with this Lollipop Cream Lip Gloss. Cream lip gloss. Makes me think it's gonna be a thicker lip gloss. Smells okay. Doesn't really have much of a scent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pigmented. Okay, the gloss is so pigmented. Wow. Oh yeah, if you had big lips, this shit would be really gorgeous. I mean, it's okay on me too. Oh my god, super comfortable and soft. Ooh, look at that. Look at those lips. I really like this color a lot. Super nice for the summer. Okay, yeah, I like these. My favorite is the cream gloss more than anything. I like it way more than the liner and the lipstick. But the liner and lipstick is nice. It's just not as opaque and pigmented as I thought it was going to be. But the gloss made up for it because it just brought everything together. I like that it's all cohesive and it all matches. That's really pretty. Yeah, I guess I can do a close-up for you guys. If I did a bad job at lining my lips, I'm sorry. It's kind of hard for me to do because my lips are just so little. So yeah, that is the Cab Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Lollipop. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was my video on Cab Cosmetics, the lip kit that I own anyways. If you guys want to see more videos from me, please comment down below, like and subscribe if you want to. I'm really grateful for all of you guys, so thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.